Hi there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I have been developer for over 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. Today, I'm diving into how to speed up your pipeline using needs relationships. In this video, I'll walk you through a hands-on demo where we'll integrate needs relationships into our jobs to speed up our pipeline. By the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to leverage needs to optimize your pipeline. If you're interested, all the markdown file and pipeline files are available on my GitLab page, and I share the link below. Our demo goal is pretty clear. Adding need relationship will observe a significantly boost our pipeline speed. Specializing the pipeline reduce build time from 9 minutes to 5 minutes. That's about a 44% improvement. To make things even clearer, we'll have a chart of visualize the needs under the needs tag in pipeline page. Let's start with a quick rundown of the needs keyword in GitLab CI/CD. Needs help us set up dependencies between various jobs within our pipeline. These jobs can belong to same stage or different. The flexibility is right here. Adding needs is a breeze. All you do is adding the needs keyword along with the name of the job which you want to depend on. For example, if you want to test a job to waiting for your build job, just add dependencies under the needs section in the test job. Alright, time to understand why the needs relationships are such as a game changer. These relationships let us to take change of the job execution sequence. We can ensure certain jobs fire before others, and there's where the magic happens. Jobs with needs relationship fire off as soon as their dependencies are met, regardless of whether their stage is played yet. That sneaky way to supercharge your pipeline. Before we change our demo pipeline, go to analyze it. Our pipeline has 5 stages, and it gets everything from building and testing to deploy UI and Java-based backend API. Sleep time is used to assimilate the job runtime to keep our test result consistency. The common jar build takes up the first 2 stages, root common jars build and the common jar parallel build. Only part of the common jar are vital role in the backend API. The test stage waits for the build stage to wipe up before kicking in, and as you expect, the deploy stage only shows up after the test stage finish. You can get the pipeline file right here. To save our time, I'll run the pipeline before our video. There is a job dependencies analysis detail and each runtime. But there's icing on the cake. We're able to add needs to the jobs like common jars, build UI, build backend API, test backend API, test UI, deploy UI and backend API vars to the stage environment. That means the build UI job can run after common job is finished. Test UI job fires up, the build UI job finishes without waiting for the build stage to wrap up. The same story goes to for test backend API, deploy backend API to stage environment, and deploy UI to stage environment. It's like give your pipeline a turbo boost. Open my merge to show your change. Go to your eye on the both pipelines. Now, see how we easily add the needs keyword, just 2 lines. That's for the old related jobs based on our previous analysis. Commit my pipeline to check the speed up result. Add a message, commit, and push. Head over to the GitLab page. Navigate to the pipelines menu. The pipeline is running. We can see the multiple stages running at the same time after we add the needs relationship. That mechanism helps our pipeline to running speed up. You see the pipeline running at the lightning speed. Go to the needs tab, and there you have it. We'll reach our demo goal. So let's recap. Adding needs relationships to your jobs. That lets jobs beginning without waiting for previous stage to running. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you the next time.